Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Let's look at today's top medical news. New research links cat exposure to double risk of developing schizophrenia. A surprising new meta-analysis is stirring fresh debate about the link between cat ownership and schizophrenia-related disorders. Researchers from the Queensland Centre for Mental Health Research in Australia reviewed 17 studies spanning 11 countries over 4 decades, revealing that people exposed to cats had about twice the odds of developing psychotic illnesses compared to those without cat exposure. Now, these findings, published in Schizophrenia Bulletin, highlight a statistically significant association but do not prove that cats cause schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a chronic mental disorder affecting about 23 million people worldwide, or is roughly 1 in 345 individuals. Its onset typically occurs in late adolescence or early adulthood, with men often affected earlier than women. The schizophrenia causes disruption in thinking, perception, and emotional responsiveness, making it one of the leading causes of disability globally. Despite its impact, many people with schizophrenia do not receive adequate mental health care, highlighting a persistent treatment gap worldwide. Now, the main hypothesis centers on Toxoplasma gondii, a parasite commonly hosted by cats that can enter the human body via contact with cat feces, bites, or contaminated food and water. New analysis uncovers surprising health benefits of mushrooms beyond low calories. Mushrooms are gaining recognition, but not only for their unique taste but also for exceptional health benefits and nutritional value. A recent review in Critical Reviews in Food Sciences and Nutrition analyzed 22 human studies exploring how whole mushroom consumption affects risk markers for cardiometabolic diseases like diabetes, stroke, and heart conditions. Mushrooms are low-calorie, nutrient-dense, fungi-rich in dietary fiber, potassium, B vitamins, selenium, and unique antioxidants like ergothioneine and L-ergothioneine. While exposed to ultraviolet light, they also provide vitamin D2, essential for immune and bone health. The review synthesized 22 human studies, including 16 experimental trials and 6 observational studies, assessing how whole mushroom consumption influences cardiometabolic biomarkers such as blood lipid, glucose, blood pressure, inflammation, and immune function. Participants consume varying doses of mushroom, that is 13 to 300 grams daily, either as a part of their regular diet or within healthier eating patterns. Studies spanned diverse population and were evaluated for methodological quality, though many were limited by short durations and small sample sizes. World's oldest blood pressure drug may be effective against aggressive brain tumor, according to a study. A decade-old drug, hydralazine, traditionally used to treat high blood pressure and preeclampsia during pregnancy, is now showing promise in fighting aggressive brain tumors. Scientists at the University of Pennsylvania discovered its molecular mechanism, revealing that hydralazine targets an enzyme called 2-amino-ethanol ethyl dioxygenase, which acts as an oxygen sensor controlling blood vessel constriction. The findings of the research are published in Science Advances. Hydralazines lower blood pressure by directly relaxing the smooth muscle in the walls of small arteries. It interferes with calcium metabolism in vascular smooth muscle, reducing intracellular calcium level. Now, this relaxation causes the blood vessels to dilate, decreasing peripheral resistance and allowing blood to flow more easily. This vasodilation reduces blood pressure and decreases the workload on the heart. Because hydralazine stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, it is often prescribed with a beta blocker to prevent rapid heart rate as a side effect. By binding to and inhibiting ADO, hydralazine silences this oxygen alarm, preventing blood vessels from tightening and lowering blood pressure. Remarkably, this action also disrupts the survival mechanism in glioblastoma cells, the most aggressive brain tumor, causing them to enter a dormant state and halting their growth without triggering harmful inflammation or resistance. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.